cul-de-sac.
Go slow. Real slow. It's a cul-de-sac. There's no place to go but in a circle. Thank you. Here you go.
Here's the Outback. No, that's 10 inches.
Be good to Mama and consider her tummy. And don't give me cause to be sick. Be kind, please.
Okie dokie.
Be kind. Be kind.
Mamacita, mamacita.
Stop. There you go. When you stop at the stop signs and make sure you come to a complete stop. That means your wheels aren't moving. Okie dokie. Slow. Going too fast. Go slow.
20.
There's lots of people out here. That's the speed limit. You could go slower. There's a lot of people out here.
Did you know that the AC in this car probably uses like R12?
What does that mean?
It's the liquid.
That's bad?
No. Well, for atmosphere, yeah. Unless you want to use R12 134A.
Do you think we want to turn the air off and roll the windows down?
No. Do that. Oh yeah, that AC sucks. Go down by one, it goes all the way down.
Did you want to take a left and go to the next neighborhood?
Yep. What about that guy's dog? Is that?
Rosie's half beagle.
I know that. Half stupid.
That is not nice.
Half less stupid than George.
What? Rosie's smart. She doesn't like George, so, y'all got that in common. Actually, she does like him. She just doesn't trust him.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, well. Okay, it's only 30 miles an hour through here, and they will pull you over.
I'm going something.
Put your left-hand blinker on and prepare to turn left, so slow down. See, you know how to slow down. You're getting better. You're getting better. You're getting better. Oops. Slow down. Go a little slower. They're probably going to be getting out of their vehicles, so yeah, slow. Slow. Just slowly go around. Thank you. Slower. Do you remember we go this way when we go to look at Christmas lights?
We did.
Yeah. Yep.
Ain't no way they got the school van. They have a school van. No loser.
What? No, they probably make good money.
No.
That's smart.
That's gay.
Really?
Yeah, it's pretty gay.
I should do that.
That's gay.
I could drive around and pick people up.
Kidnap?
Yeah, I kidnap them and they have to pay me before I let them out. It's like Uber, but more thrilling.
Holding them
Slow
hostage.
down. Slow down. Go around. Please don't.
Open house. Wanna go check out open house?
No.
Okay, so this one goes to the other one, I think. They have a whole oh, okay, I see.
You know where you are?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They were trying to take a TV from this place once. And then the guy walked out and was like, what are you doing?
What?
There's like a box TV and they were like trying to get rid of it. And Joe came out and he was like holding it. And they came out and they were like, why are you holding my TV?
But they were getting rid of it? Maybe they put it out there for somebody else to pick up.
It was pretty wet. I think it was on Halloween.
Maybe he was afraid you guys were going to throw it and break it or something.
Yeah, I was going to do
Oh, well. I hope this was a long time ago and you're a lot more mature now.
that. Was this Halloween?
Sean, this is all on video.
Hi, babe.
I do not approve
This
of you destroying personal property.
This is the rich neighborhood.
The rich neighborhood. Why do you think it's the rich neighborhood?
Because they're all double houses.
Oh, you mean the big 2 stories?
Besides that guy, I think he's disabled.
Oh. I prefer single story home where we live.
Florida, I know, because the hot. Yeah, I know.
Yep.
Floridian.
I mean, I have to admit, some of them look really stately.
See?
Yeah. You know. And they look nice. But I bet that master bedroom's hot. Yeah.
One of them has a tinted tower in their backyard. I don't know if it's still there though.
Unless you have like 2 ACs
We got this one.
You like that one?
There's that brown
That's
one.
okay. I like the ones that have the 2nd story porch. That one's really nice.
This pink one sucks.
You don't like the pink one?
Looks like a Minecraft house.
It looks like a Minecraft house.
It's close.
Oh. The only thing I would want is a pool. I miss swimming.
That's the 7-Eleven.
Oh yeah. That's where we are. Crazy. You're crazy, Dr. Jones.
We had to go through there once because we were coming home, but we didn't want to like do the whole thing, so we just went for this place. And they had like a little like pathway.
It looks like it looks like a lot of people do that.
Should be a tinted tower somewhere over here. I don't know if they got rid of it. Joe and I were going through here once. This person had like a full like a tinted tower in their backyard.
It's probably for a party. Yeah. Stop. You did not stop at that stop sign. Okay. Make sure you stop at all the stoplights. Okay. Stop signs. You have to. Nope. That's nice. Wow, they have a big tree in the middle like that. That's really nice.
Kind of steep.
No, it's not. It's pretty. Here's a stop sign up here. What are you going to do?
Yield.
No, we are going to come to a complete stop, please. And put your right-hand blinker on. Stop completely. Okay.
They're doing a drug deal.
See
You
that?
saw the guy walking, right?
Yeah, I saw him. Come to a complete stop. And put your left blinker on.
How long is that video?
We're at 8 minutes. Is that good?
You're not going to be able to send that.
I can't?
No, that's 8 minutes.
I can't. Okay, what if I upload it to my YouTube and then I can send you the link?
No. I'd rather have you just record like a new